We recently unboxed the Xiaomi Mi 5X and even reviewed it here on C4E Tech. The Mi A1 is basically the same phone but with stock Android. Due to popular demand, in today's video, let's unbox the Mi A1 and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech and let's get started. Opening up the box, we've got the Mi A1 itself. Seems to be a reboxed unit that Xiaomi sent us since there's no plastic to peel. It's okay, happens sometimes with brands, acceptable. The Mi A1 looks identical to the Mi 5X except for the Android One branding at the bottom. We then have the SIM ejector tool, a USB Type-C cable, the regular literature including SAR value information, and then a travel adapter. So I'm not gonna delve deep into the build and placements here since we've already seen them with the Mi 5X. The A1's got a metal unibody build, it's 7.3mm thick, weighs in at 165 grams, feels nice and premium in hand. One major difference is that for the Mi A1, Xiaomi has specified that they are using 2.5D Gorilla Glass for protection, covering that 5.5-inch Full HD IPS LCD display. That's good news. Barring that, the phones are pretty much identical, the placements, the thickness, the antenna bands, everything. Now before we jump into the USB of this phone, the stock Android interface, let's have a quick specs refresher. And I'll use this as a chance to show you the benchmarks. The Mi A1 is powered by the Snapdragon 625 chip, while the 5X offered two RAM storage configurations, 332 and 464. The Mi A1 offers only one, the higher option, 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of onboard storage, with support for memory expansion in the form of a hybrid slot. There's also support for high quality audio and a 3080 mAh battery backing all this up. The A1 comes with stock Android 7.1.2 Nougat, and we've been promised an Oreo update before the end of the year. Given that this is stock Android, the regular Nougat features like quick switch to quickly jump back and forth between the last two apps used and split screen to use two apps side by side to enhance multitasking are present and accounted for. There are very few preloaded apps. The stock apps are all Google, for example photos or messages, but Xiaomi does include their own apps for the remote control and camera. So all the Xiaomi camera functions like depth mode, 2x zoom are available here. We've done a dedicated camera review of the Mi 5X, and since it's the same app, same hardware, dual 12 megapixel cameras, one standard one telephoto with an f2.2 aperture and 1.25 micron sized pixels, I'll leave a card to that video here. Check it out for more information on how this camera fares. So the Mi A1 is priced at 14,999 rupees in India and is available via flipkart.com. I'll leave a direct link in the description below, use that if you want to pick a device up. It is also worth mentioning that since this is an Android One device, it has a confirmed upgrade not only to Oreo but also Android P. Barring that, it would also receive security patches as soon as they are released. So at this point, it's basically a budget pixel. Though we've reviewed the 5X already, I am gonna be spending more time with the A1 and will come out of the full review. I do wanna check how stock Android holds up on a Xiaomi device. This is one of those pairings that we've waited for a long time. So in my review, I'm kinda gonna be focusing on the software and experience parts more than on build and design since we've covered them quite extensively already. So anyway, that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't. For more videos like this including that full review, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. If you've already subscribed, hit that bell icon to make sure you get notified each time a new video goes live here on C4E Tech. So that's it for now, thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here's Ash, you've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.